At the Food Technology and Innovation Forum this March in Dublin, many of the presentations and discussions were focused on how to serve a consumer group that is heavily impacted by the economic crisis, as well as the move towards natural product lines. Now, ingredients companies such as Tate and Lyle presented their naturally sourced ingredient Tastiva, and Nestlé discussed their journey towards zero artificials in their sugar and confectionery product lines. This development is interesting for manufacturers as both companies are a testimony towards the wave of natural products and a consumer need for products without any artificial colors, flavors or additives, as one is more increasingly concerned about what is in the food and what it actually says on the label. Take the Southampton 6 for example. Now, in 2008, a group of artificial colors called the Southampton 6 were voluntarily removed by manufacturers as it's been associated with hyperactive behavior in children. So the question is, what does 100% natural actually means? In order for manufacturers to call a product 100% natural, 3 conditions must be met. The product must not contain any artificial colors, flavors and additives. Now, the claim of using no artificial colors and flavors have been used quite widely by both private label as well as manufacturers. Take, for example, the Haribo or the private label variant of Waitrose. Yet, other than Nestlé, no other manufacturer so far has been able to use no additive claims, and therefore giving Nestlé that competitive advantage of being one of the very few that can say the product is 100% natural. The biggest threat at the moment comes from private label, which has a 25% market share in packaged food in Western Europe alone. Now, private label offers the value for money products to a growing consumer base that has less money to spend. Now, a private label normally competes on price, it now also has access to over 224 generic health claims without having to spend any money on scientific research, giving them an extra value. We believe that there's a need to consider innovation in natural products, as there's an overwhelming number of functional products that are being offered using the same health claim. Now, one product that could benefit from the 100% natural claims is sugar and confectionery, and more specifically pastels, jellies and chews. So when targeting both mum and kid for sugar and confectionery, one would go a long way by ensuring mum, who ultimately pays for the product that the child is so desperately asking for, so that it contains no artificial flavors, colors or additive, and therefore is better than any other products on the product shelf. So for a sugar and confectionery market that is set to grow by $4 billion over the next 5 years, this could help distinguish you from your competitor.